Okay, we're going to be starting our second product rule. This one I referenced a little bit in the previous video. So if you look here, you can actually distribute an exponent that's on the outside and distribute it to each thing that's on the inside if you have a parentheses like that. So this is just kind of looking at that same relationship in an opposite way. So we're going to go through a couple of examples here, and then you'll try the problems on your own again. So for example, if I have 2 cubed times 5 cubed, if I want to just simplify that as is, first I would do 2 cubed. So 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. That gives me 8 there. So that'd be 8. And then I'm multiplying that by 5 cubed. So 5 cubed, that's 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. So I'm going to simplify that. 8 times 125. And that gives me 1,000. Now, you can also, if you have two things that have the same exponent, you can push that into a parentheses and first multiply what we call the bases, which is the number that has an exponent on it, and then take that to this exponent. So if I have 2 times 5, that makes 10. And then we're going to cube it. 10 times 10 times 10 also makes 1,000. And so those two expressions make the same thing as each other. Now you can also do this with variables. So if I have x cubed, y cubed, those two things are being multiplied and they have the same exponent on them. And so because they have the same exponent, I can simplify that to x times y cubed. All right, and similarly, if I had x times y to the 5th, I could write that as x to the 5th times y to the 5th. All right, now it's your turn. So go ahead and try some of the problems that are here on the right side on the next screen.